welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to bleed a radiator, heating radiator. If the heating radiator is not performing very well, I'll show you. So especially if the radiator bottom part is hot and the upper part is not hot, it is cold. It might be because trapped air in the radiator. So in that case we have to bleed the radiator, bleed the air. So this is the tool we use to bleed. On one side of the radiator we can see a square thingy. We have to loosen it a little bit. Yeah, you can listen. See, the trapped air is coming out. So you can listen, the water is coming also, sound of water. See, that's air. You can listen to the air coming out. We have to wait until water comes out, then we can close it, tighten it. See, that's it. So see, that's done. Now the radiator will perform well. So this tool you can buy it from any of the shops, only £1, less than £1. So you can do it by yourself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.